Good. Welcome everyone. I will be showing you today how to download ChemSketch. ChemSketch is one of the most common softwares we use in computational chemistry. With the ChemSketch, you can use it to do a whole lot of work, and we encourage all beginners in computational chemistry to be able to learn how to manipulate, how to use ChemSketch. It is one of the very easy to use softwares, and you can use it for structural modeling. You can use it to represent a structure. You can use it to convert the structure from just drawing to a structural data files. You can use a ChemSketch to predict reaction synthesis and reaction mechanism. You can use ChemSketch to predict molecular identifiers and their properties. So there are so many things you can do with the ChemSketch. So how can I download ChemSketch? How can I have it in my system? Just open your browser, just like the way mine is, and type ChemSketch. Once you type ChemSketch download, you hit your enter button, and it will open up. You see the official uh, website, free chemical drawing software for students. So once you click on it, then it will take you to the official site. You just have one thing to do, which is just to register, and you're not going to register with money. Is free. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see download ChemSketch freeware. You just have to supply your first name, like I will supply my first name, supply your last name, then your email, which you may want, because the download link will be sent to your email. So I choose my email. Your academic institution, I am coming from Hendeb Industries, so just type Hendeb Industries. You can put your own academic institution. Then it has already indicated Nigeria, otherwise you have to choose Nigeria. If you're not from Nigeria, you choose your country, and then you click by accepting this download, and you understand that you receive email communications, and then you also check here that you consent to their license agreement, so you are done. What you just need to do is to click on download software. But right now, the software will not be downloaded. The link to the download will be sent to your mail. And you can see, say thank you for requesting ChemSketch. Check your email for your download link. So what you just need to do is to go to that email you used while trying to register. You once go there, you will see immediately this is my mail, ACD Labs ChemSketch download link. When you open the mail, once the mail is open, the first thing you see is the download link. So this download ChemSketch freeware, that is the link to download this software. Immediately you click on the link, then the software will begin to download. So you can see it's already downloading. So this might take some time, but it will be in a zip file. Now I already have just give it some time and it will download. So once that download is done, you have to go to your download. Now you will see the file in a zip file. This is ACD Lab 2025. So ChemSketch, that is in a zip file. So once you double click, it will unzip it. If you have WinRAR, or just try it double clicking and the file will be unzipped. Then you see the setup S file, the execution file. You double click on the setup file, it will start extracting the file, and it will request, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? You just say yes. Once you say yes, then it will start installing, because you have done the download already. All what you need to do is to click on next, and this is recent ChemSketch 2025. You click on next, you accept. Once you accept, you click on next. So it's already checked, so it's okay. You just click on next. As you are doing that, the installation process is already on. You just have to be patient a bit. So once that is done, you click on next, and it doesn't take much time, but I think this works best for Windows. So it operates very well in Windows systems. So everything is already intact. What you need to do is to click on next. Once you click on next, install 10 basic goodies. You click on next. Next thing you do now is to install. So click install and your job is done. So so you start enjoying, start using the ChemSketch because it is much more unique, and for beginners we appreciate the ChemSketch. The environment is friendly, and you can easily operate the tools there. So once that is done, once the installation is done, you can now open it and use it for your computational chemistry work. So just wait a while. So it's finished. Open freeware folder. So just have to click finish. Once you click finish, the software has been installed. So look at the ChemSketch software. So we have Chem 3D viewer. So it comes with three. It has a Chem 3D viewer. It has Chem Basic. It has ChemSketch. It also has guides. So open the ChemSketch. Once you click on ChemSketch, you see ChemSketch Freeware 2025. So this is the latest version as of last year. You can now begin to use it for your drawing purposes. You can use it, probably you can maybe, so you just have to look out for trainings where you can appreciate the use of ChemSketch. So once again, thank you. So this is just our ChemSketch. So if you want to open it, you can just, next time you come to your search button and type ChemSketch, search ChemSketch, you see it, then you start using it. Alright.